Mark Richards has been a member of the Indiana Chamber's Tax Policy Committee for almost as long as he's been a tax lawyer with Ice Miller. That's more than 30 years. His work with the Indiana Chamber goes beyond tax policy. As a member of the Indiana Vision 2025 Task Force, Richards was a strong contributor in developing and earlier this year reviewing the Economic Development Plan. He is a constant voice of advice and counsel for the Chamber.
It's very important for people to understand that the Chamber isn't just about promoting the interests of the business community to the exclusion of other interests. The Chamber, I think, truly looks at issues on a broad-based what's good for the state of Indiana, because what's good for the state of Indiana is what's good for business and vice versa.
Richards' knowledge and experience is extremely valuable for the Chamber. He provides guidance to staff and influences policy debates. Richards has made an impact on multiple issues, including the critical repeal of the inventory and gross receipts taxes of 2002. Recently, he was involved in the successful elimination of the throwback rule. Richards points to the 1960s and 1970s as one influence in his passion for tax law. That's when the state adopted its sales and income taxes. He was inspired to follow his interest to law school at Indiana University and then to Ice Miller.
There are fundamental changes that both at the federal level and the state level we have to adapt to, so it repeatedly creates new interesting questions that need to be answered, so it doesn't get stale, it doesn't get boring, and believe it or not, it can be exciting if you're at least a little bit of a tax geek.
Richards has been an integral member of the Indianapolis Motor Speedway legal team for nearly 30 years and has worked with various sports leagues. Congratulations, Mark Richards, one of our 2016 Indiana Chamber Volunteers of the Year.